Hi, my name is Nathy and I hope you enjoyed the last video. And today I'm going to teach you some 3 important words. Tudo bem? The first word I want to teach you is ontem. 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 Okay, this is how you spell ontem. Ontem means yesterday. Yesterday. So the second word I want to teach you is hoje. Hoje. Normally Brazilian people don't pronounce H, the letter H. So you don't say hoje, you say hoje, hoje. Hoje means today. The last word I want to teach you is amanhã. 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 Amanhã means tomorrow. These are 3 easy peasy words. So hoje what means today, ontem what means yesterday, and amanhã what means tomorrow. So hoje, ontem, amanhã. Hoje, ontem, amanhã. Hoje, ontem, amanhã. Hoje, ontem, amanhã. Obrigada for watching. Ciao!